guys, it's me, Fox Lover. And I want to show you my custom fidget spinner. Wait, it's not a fidget spinner, it's a fidget cube. You realize that I put glitter all over it. It used to be like this white color. It's like white color. But no, I painted it blue and sparkly like the sky. Like the sky. So, yeah. Comment down below what side of the fidget cube do you like best? The joystick? This side? Or I don't know what it's called. These buttons? This spinny thing? I call it the spinny thing because it looks weird. Come on, spin. Come on. Okay. Or the joystick. I really like this side. So, yeah. So, comment down below. Which fidget cube side do you like best? So, bye. I'm going to put this back out. Bye.